for major head tension. I've shared these before here and there, but I just thought it'd be a good overview. I know it's something that we all struggle with from time to time, right? Where we get headaches that we just can't get rid of. And that was actually me this morning from the minute I woke up. So I'm gonna share with you guys what I use, just very simply how I use it, how often I use it, and encourage you to try it if you're someone who struggles with a lot of head tension and migraines and things like that. So obviously, when you have head tension, you wanna make sure you've eaten something, you wanna up your water intake, all of those things that are just common sense, right? But there's so many great oils you can use. So I'm gonna go over my routine, what I use, and it works really great for me. So I take my past tense blend, or you can use peppermint. Past tense just has a little bit more of a kick to it because it's a blend of different oils, including peppermint. And you're just gonna take it, I'm gonna show you guys. You're just gonna roll it on your forehead and then dab it on your temples. It does come out pretty quickly, so be careful not to let it run into your eyes. That's never a good thing. And I actually just rub it in because you wanna make sure it absorbs. Plus, I mean, who doesn't like a temple massage, right? So you're just gonna rub it in, and I just take the excess and I put it on the back of my neck because it feels amazing. And what the oils and that do is they have this really nice cooling effect, which feels really good. And then they actually help open up your veins. So when you have a headache, your veins get constricted, right? They're super tense. So a lot of the oils in past tense are considered vasodilators, and they help open up those veins. Like that's scientifically what they do. So that's how they really work. And plus the oils in it are really great for temporary pain. So I do that. I will apply this every 10 to 15 minutes if you know it's not subsiding with the other stuff that I'm doing. And I really will. Sometimes it takes an hour before I don't need it anymore. And just reapply as often as you need it. So maybe you do it once and then 30 minutes later you kind of feel a little tinge like it's coming back. Reapply it. That's all you have to do. So just carry it around with you. Second thing I do is I take copaiba or frankincense, and I just I choose one or the other because I'm gonna alternate them if I need to. So typically I start with frankincense because this tends to work best for me. I put it on my thumb, turn the bottle over on my thumb like this, get about a drop, and then I just press it here to the roof of your mouth, and you're gonna hold it there for about 30 seconds. And if that doesn't completely take it away, because sometimes all I need to do is do it once, and that's great. Frankincense has an amazing ability to cross the blood-brain barrier, and it actually helps bring oxygen to your brain. So it's pretty amazing how that oxygenation in your brain can help with head tension. And frankincense also helps with inflammation and temporary pain as well. So it's just a really great oil to use. So if that doesn't quite work, 10 minutes later, I will take my copaiba, like 5-10 minutes later, maybe 15 if it feels like the frankincense is doing something. And I'm gonna alternate it. I'm gonna use the copaiba this time. Same thing, turn the bottle over on my thumb, press it to the roof of my mouth for 30 seconds, and then I'll alternate back to the frankincense about 15 minutes later if I need to. I don't typically ever need to do it more than once or twice, but some people do. So know that you can go back and do it again, every 15 minutes. Some people have to do it 3 or 4 times and then it's gone. Just be consistent with it. The third thing I do is these deep blue polyphenols. I take 2 of these, and it's amazing how well they work. They're basically like a natural painkiller, to be honest. They're all natural. They have things like frankincense, curcumin, ginger, green tea extract, pomegranate, grape. And so all of the things in there are basically provide natural pain relief to the body. So I just take 2 of these, and that's my routine. That's why I do that. And putting the oils on the roof of your mouth, the reason I do that is that it's really the quickest way to get it into your blood system and into your brain. So it absorbs super easily there, and it gets it just the quickest where it needs to go. The other oil you can utilize, if those two don't work for you, is turmeric. And you can do the same trick to the top of your mouth, or you can actually just pop 1 or 2 drops of turmeric under your tongue. And that works really well for a lot of people that I know as well, depending on which one works best for your body. Everybody's body is different. Everybody's going to have a slightly different response to it. So play around with them and find what works for you. The really cool thing is that you can actually get past tense free this month. This is one that's always with me for head tension and for just overall tension. It feels really amazing on your neck and shoulders. If you're having a stressful day, or if you've slept on your neck wrong or whatnot, it's just a really, really great for any sort of sore muscles or tension. That's why it's called the Tension Blend. So you can actually get past tense free along with 2 other oils, Aroma Touch, which is also great for pain and tension and all of those things, and Balance, which is just a great emotional support oil. And all of those 3 you can get for free. It's about $90 retail of oils. You can get those free with any 200 PV order. So if you're a current customer, just log in, pop 200 PV, which is around $200 of oils in your cart, and you're gonna get those 3 oils for free, which retail around $90. So pretty good deal. If you're not yet a member, you can actually get all 3 of them free with my Home Essentials kit, or we can customize a kit to add up to the value to get them free. So reach out if you want information on doing that. You're also going to get some awesome welcome gifts from me. And I just launched my private team website for my team today. So you're going to get access to that as well as our private Facebook group. Both of them have videos and recipes and just everything to really make sure that you know how to use your oils. So we have a ton of resources to welcome you with, and you'll get my personal support as well. So just go ahead and shoot me a DM if you would like more information on how to get started and to get those oils free, or if you have questions around what starter kit might meet your needs the best. But if you're out there struggling with a headache, try that routine that I just shared, and I hope that it helps you feel better.